Hey, good morning, Chona. I wanted to send you electronic letter. Just thinking of you. It's been so long. So, and then you and me are like, we're getting older. Friends are changing. I've been in Asia so darn long. Uh, we'll focus on you, but I'm in Taiwan, so I'm working in a language school. Um, as you can hear, I'm above a restaurant. Ni hao ma. So I originally had a goal of doing 1 year or staying longer. I had a really nice condo with help of my friend, kind of like near the seaside, south of Bangkok. Vietnam was kind of like the weather is it's too cloudy, and then too much like San Francisco. Like, even with my, I put fluoxetine, just like have to like take 3 fish oils a day. Um, anyways, I tried the last since 2016, and I've given up. So tried to get Yashi there, Ho Chi Minh City with Malu, and that pretty much that's pretty much what set the tables for divorce. Well, it's like I wanted to do it, and she didn't want to do it, but she didn't tell me like totally to my face. She was being quiet. I found out she had Asperger's, so so it wasn't just an Asian communication problem. It was other things. So, anyways, I'm not angry. That's just life. Oh my god, I spoke 2 minutes already. So I'm doing this on a screencast recorder, and I'm not gonna convert it. So you can't see my face, but I could actually upload. You can see my face if you want. I guess you could if you want. Yeah, my eyes are really dark. Oh my god. But hi Chana. Yeah, crap. Why not? So I'll upload it to a YouTube, and then it's better to talk to a face. So, anyways, the last straw in Thailand was pretty bad. Driving the scooter. Well, my work. So I spent like 6 months in Vietnam. My third and last try. I knew I had to give it one third try. So that's that. Came back. My friend Steve basically helped finance all of these experiments. And then Yashi had to basically put up with it and move. So, but I paid. I gave money to Yashi every month. But anyway, so I came back to Thailand, and then I got a scooter. But it's like I'm angry all the time in Thailand. So I have an agency, and then like I'm just asking about taxes. So, and then he fires me. So then I got down a deposit. He doesn't give me the deposit back. It's just a Thai thing. It's like even if you're not non-Thai, it's all about money. That's all they do is work and talk money. It's the most boring place on earth. Up in Chiang Mai, it's different. now I did one interview up there. I almost took, but you have to be just like not much creativity in teaching in Asia. So, but I had to try. It was up in Chiang Mai, so I wasn't very impressed actually with Chiang Mai, but I was in the tourist area, so I went back to my old stomping grounds near the sea to try to do it again there. So that the job didn't work there. The agency, I lost my job. So, and now Thailand is so strict with their immigration and their work permit laws, so they can actually check your income at an embassy and check your return flights. Just all the political problems and the change of kings. So the new king not very respected, and I don't blame them. If you read about him, his lifestyle and how much money he has, and now he's taking control. Basically, it's like a dictatorship, like Cambodia. So, anyways, they're really not very pro foreigner at all in Bangkok and below, which is like where a lot of the jobs are if I want to be near Yashi. So, anyways, I'm in like an all Filipino room, mostly Filipino. So they're like can like yell at each other and have arguments and all this drama, which is okay, but like like yelling really loud completely at someone in your office is not like appropriate. I had an American bully who tried to fight me at work and online. So I never encountered a bully in my life, so now I know how to deal with bullies online, especially securing all my accounts and everything. It's just like, and then everyone's just like sitting around playing on their phones all day. So then everything I say or everything I post, even like, I don't know, just like my friends are like posting on other people's pages, and it's like, I don't know, just wasn't good. And then the head teachers of it was really stressful. The ride wasn't there. I loved riding my scooter. So anyways, I'm talking too much about myself. This is like 8 minutes. Oh my god. Alright, I'm going to see if I can compress this. So, anyways, driving the scooter and love my scooter. And, but then, so it's raining one day. Really hard. Crossing the highway, it's really nuts. So I'm going really slow, really slow. So I'm trying to cross the street or stay out of anyone's way. So basically a lady, she's not even looking where she's going. I'm going 7 kilometers an hour. She like goes over to the right and just keeps going and going. I'm like doing everything I can. I stop. And she like just hits me. And then me being the good Gabriel, I pick up her mirror. And so that in Thailand, that's not the thing to do. You're supposed to just drive away. So anyway, so the police just laughed at me. She got a bunch of money. The scooter people freaked out, called immigration. They should have at the school. But the school decided they made a decision when I was just learning the system and stressed out with a bully, and they're so unorganized, and they don't tell you, they have all these codes for stupid reasons, and the Filipino guy that's the trainer is horrible, and you don't even know what you're supposed to be teaching. And then there's so few hours, and like Wednesday I have 1 hour. So you're sitting in this room all day long. So anyways, long story short, the agency didn't really like me because I caused drama at the school and the bully. So whatever he did made me suffer on the job, basically got me fired. And there wasn't a lot of jobs to choose from in that area, so I stayed for the 3 or 4 months, and then anyway, so number one, so I'm not gonna have a job. I love my condo. I love being near Yashi. I'm near the BART. They have a BART, as you know, since I did see you in Thailand. And then God, I'm not even talking about you. And it's 11 minutes. But so what I did was I downloaded. No, it's a screen recorder, screencast, so you can do it on your notebook. You don't have to use this if you don't want it. And then just launch it and then do an online converter, MP4 to MP3. So that's what I'm going to try to do. And you can cut out the parts that you don't need. But you don't have to do that if you don't want to. And then you can compress it too. But I can show you. So I hope that this all works. And you get to see this. I think I'll just do the YouTube. It's just easier. But can you hear me? So anyway, so like a month ago, the work stops. Immigration showed up to school. I can't even go to the school. So my goal was, my dream was, I was thinking that my goal was to leave like in a year and go to China. So, cause make money. I'm not making any money in Thailand. You just make enough just to get by. And the storms are friendlier than the people. Except the cool people at 7-Eleven. So, but it's too race. The middle class and upper class is just pretty much annoying in Thailand. They're all on their phones all day, all night. It's the most boring place on earth. And so I was a little bit. I was trying to plan for how to get income coming in. So I did online teaching for China, and then I was going to do that. Started peeking around on the international board. Checked out the weather for here in Taipei and Taiwan. So my city is a little bit sunnier. It's usually about 24 Celsius now. It does get tropical like Thailand, which I like. And then I don't like San Francisco weather, not one bit, as you know. Actually, that's where my San Francisco State days, like, if it would have been at another college, I would have finished. But that's another world story. Or if I knew about like fish oil, would have finished, and I probably wouldn't have gone to school all those years and did all these adventures. So, anyways, so I'm here training to do language work, so I can make about 2,000 a month, and I think rent's gonna be 500 a month, and then it's about $100 every 2 weeks to fly back to Bangkok from Taipei. So that's my plan. So I get up